In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an envelope in Word. By the end, you'll be able to set up a recipient and return address and send your envelope to the printer with confidence. We'll move through this smoothly and keep things simple. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word, then go to the ribbon at the top and choose the Mailings tab. This is where Word keeps all the tools related to envelopes, labels, and mail merges. If you don't immediately see mailings, make sure your window is maximized so all tabs are visible. Once you're there, everything you need for envelopes is in one place. Next, select Envelopes. This opens the Envelopes and Labels window, which is designed exactly for this task. You'll notice two main boxes, one for the delivery address and one for the return address. Think of this window as a quick form. You fill in the addresses, and Word handles the layout on the envelope for you. In the delivery address box, type the recipient's information just as you want it to appear. Put each part of the address on its own line, name, street address, and then city, state or region, and postal code. If there's an apartment, suite, or unit number, place it on the line with or just after the street address, so it's easy for postal scanners to read. Keep things clear and avoid unnecessary punctuation. Postal services prefer simple, consistent formatting. Now move to the return address box. This is your address, so the mail can come back to you if needed. Word may suggest one automatically based on your settings, and you can edit it or overwrite it with the address you prefer. If you don't want a return address printed, say you're using pre-printed envelopes, you can simply remove the text from that box. When your addresses look right, you're ready to print. Before you click Print, take a second to choose the correct printer from the list, if you have more than one, and make sure there's an envelope in the tray. Most printers show a small diagram on the tray indicating which side faces up and which edge should feed first. Follow that so the text prints in the right place. Use a standard envelope size for the smoothest results. If you're unsure, a quick test with a plain sheet of paper cut to the same size can help confirm orientation. Finally, click Print. Word will send your envelope to the printer, formatted and ready to mail. That's all there is to it. Clean, fast, and professional.